What's up, you guys? Randy Shaw here, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to give you a walk around of my Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4. Let's do it. All right, you guys, here she is. My 1994 Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4. It's got the Danube Blue Pearl paint. One of my favorite colors. Very rare for these cars, only offered a couple years. The 94 year came with the glass headlights, very specific to that year, very rare. I recently restored them, looking really, really good. It's got the stock 17-inch wheels, chromies. They need a refurb, but that's all right. Let's take a look on the inside. Got the ivory white leather, basically dead stock aside from a Greddy shift knob. My Desai Mochi, currently she's sitting at 59,977 miles, almost at that 60K mark. But interior looks really good, great condition. Paint's in good condition as well. It does need a bit of a correction, and there's a couple parts that have a little bit of fade, but that's all right. We'll get that fixed up. The only thing that isn't stock in the exterior is the 99 garnish. Nice little subtle difference. The 94 year retained the active aero, which I love, as well as the active suspension and exhaust. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. The notorious 6G72. Do not drop a 10 mil down there. Dead stock aside from a Greddy blow-off valve. Gotta hear those turb skis. Just done maintenance on her, timing belt, alternator, idler pulley, belts, water pump. Bringing in the stock 320 horsepower. But hey, back then, that was fast. And you know what? Still is now. I mean, these computers on wheels are pretty quick, but I'd rather drive a car. Let's be real. All right, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. See you next time.